Welcome back everyone. So today we are going to see the concept of sets in Python. I mean operations on sets in Python. So we can perform here intersection and union operations. Okay. Now first of all understand what is intersection and union. So these are basically the terms of mathematical, right? You might be you might have learned about mathematics, so you might have came about the concept of intersection and union. So intersection, that means if you are having two sets, right, and both of the sets are containing some common elements, so intersection is going to give you the common elements, while if you are going to just make the union of two different sets, so they are going to combine all the unique values and going to create a singular set. Let's just see here, we are creating out here a set, let's say a set which is going to have the integers 1 2 3 4 5, a set B which is going to have the integers, let's say 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the two different sets I have created out here. Let's just try to perform the intersection here. What am I going to use for for intersection? Okay, let's say A B. What is the result of this? This is actually the union. That means you can see here 5 is not being repeated because it have contained all the elements of set A and set B. So this is a new set where combination of A and B set is there, right? What is intersection? Let's just check out that as well. So if you are going A, you're going with set B, and is the sign of intersection, which has got the common element, that is 5, which is present in set A and set B. If you want, you can get the difference of your sets as well. Let's say A minus B. So that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's how you can just move forward with the operations of intersection, union, and as well as the difference. So this is how helpful sets are. You guys are already aware about sets concept, or else you can just visit my sets video. Okay. So sets is, let me give you a quick overview. Set is something which is containing the data sets, okay, which is containing values, and that could be mutable. That means we can add the element, we can just update the element, and we can remove the element, okay. But the thing is that set doesn't contains the duplicate elements. So this is what the things about set. I hope this is going to be a useful information for you guys. Thank you.